Hi friends, welcome back. The dancing doll. We have all seen in our younger ages a small doll. When we give the key, it beats the drum or it dances. So whenever we want that toy to beat the drum or to dance, we give the key. When will it stop working? One is either we don't give the key. Next is either we lose the key, otherwise the spring breaks down. These are the situations where the doll doesn't function. So in our life also, are we a dancing doll? If you think about it, yes. Most of the people around us, our friends, relatives, neighbors, everybody knows how to make us dance or how to make us to work. So everybody, when they want us to dance, they give the key, we dance and they enjoy the situation. So what is to be done about it? We are not a mechanical thing. We are all human beings. We should be able to think and rationalize. So next time, when your friends or relatives, someone around you tries to give you the key, take a decision that you are not going to dance or that you are not going to beat the drums. Then what will happen? Once they will try, second time they will try, third time they will try, and they will say, there is no use, leave it. Then what will happen? Then we are becoming proactive, not reactive to the situation. So if we are able to control ourselves, not to dance the tune of our surroundings or of the people who are giving it the key, then our mind becomes more relaxed and we reduce that much stress. And some people have got the habit or giving the key themselves. How? When they see something on the TV, they get stressed. When they read some news, they get stressed. So, what is the point in getting stressed about things which is not under our control? There is no point. Try to understand that. And if you are able to understand the basic factors that we are not a dancing doll and we are not going to act as per the key or the spring which is going to be given by that, we are going to be happy. Though we should be very careful. We should not never let our spring to break down, so this is harmful. So whenever somebody gives the key, don't react to it. Be cool. Don't be reactive. Be proactive. In course of time, people will understand that there is no point in giving them the key. They will slowly fade away from our this thing. So we become more relaxed, we reduce our stress and we will be happy. So decision is yours, whether you want to dance according to the key or whether you want to keep yourself calm, quiet and make them understand that we are not reactive. So the decision is that take the right decision so that you can reduce your stress. Thank you and all the best.